Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to connect the Moza R3 racing wheel to your PC. Start by placing the Moza R3 wheel base on your desk or sim racing rig. It is important that the base is mounted securely so it does not move while you are driving. Next, connect the pedals to the wheel base. Take the RJ45 cable that comes with the pedals. This cable looks similar to a LAN or Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the cable into the pedals, and plug the other end into the port labeled pedal on the back of the wheelbase. After that, connect the power supply. Plug the power adapter into the power port on the back of the wheelbase. Then plug the other end into a wall outlet so the wheelbase can receive power. Now connect the USB cable. The Moza R3 uses a printer-style USB cable. Plug the square end into the USB port on the back of the wheelbase. Plug the other end into an available USB port on your PC. It is recommended to connect the wheel directly to the PC and avoid using USB hubs because hubs can sometimes cause connection drops. Once the hardware is connected, turn on your PC and install the software. Open your browser and go to the Moza Racing Download Center. Download the software called Moza Pithouse. In most cases, the software will ask you to perform a one-click firmware update for the wheelbase and any connected components. Allow the update to finish so everything runs properly. After the update, your wheel and pedals should be ready to use, and you can start configuring them for your favorite racing games. Thanks for watching.